गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो सब लोग? नाइस, वाओ, वेरी गुड। चलो, टेक योर इंग्लिश बुक फर्स्ट and before starting class what we do? Prayer, right? So take a position. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Okay, open your eyes. Now fastly open page number 1515. Okay, 2 minute repetition. In last page what we did, हम लोगों ने कर्सिव का QRST राइट यहाँ तक कंप्लीट किया था. Now in this page number 15, we write today UVWX, right? So first mention date in corner. Okay, put your pencil on question and read and write. Again I repeat, read and write letters U to W. Okay students, now you have to read yourself beta. Read and write letters U to W. Okay, now see in both. first U कैसे करना है? C, make a cursive line U like this. जितना कर्व करोगे उतनी राइटिंग आपकी अच्छी आएगी. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? अगेन आई रिपीट हियर, मेक अ कर्सिव लाइन. इट्स अ यू लाइक दिस. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट इन बुक. सी, trace the letter first, cursive line, up to down circle U. Read and speak. Okay, cursive line, up to down circle U. Again, cursive line, up to down circle U.
cursive line की curve line.
Cursive line. Done? Okay, now this 4 times you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we see in board like this, like this, like this and like this. Easy? See, cursive line, V and curve. Clear? है ना easy? Okay, चलो. Do in book also. Like this, like this, like this and like this. We done, right? Sure. Okay, so we done. Now U, V and after V what come? W, W, C. Cursive line, make a U, this, right? C, again line, make a U, again U, like this. Okay, this is your W. Now trace the letter like this, like this. पेंसिल को उठाना नहीं है, ठीक है? Done? Okay, now I am writing HW here. This 5 times you have to complete. First make a dot and write. Right? Now we will go with the next page, page number 16. Which page? Homework page. I am writing again HW here and you have to finish this page. Cursive को ट्रेस करना है एंड राइट करना है. ओके, व्हाट यू डू हियर? पुट योर पेंसिल ऑन क्वेश्चन, रीड एंड राइट. अगेन आई रिपीट, रीड and write. Speak and write, students. Okay, so U V W done. Now turn your page. Okay, which page? Page number 1717. Page number 1717. Okay, what you do? Put your pencil on question. Same spelling come again and again. देखो कौन सा spelling है ये? Read and write. Again I speak. Read and write. Letters X to Z. X to Z. Okay, so trace first. Line, cursive line, make a X. Cursive line, make a X. Again line, make a X. Can I easy? Line, X. Done? Now Y. Again trace first. Which way you will do, students? See. Make a cursive line. Make a U. Down line like this. This is your U. Again I repeat. See again. Cursive line. Make a U. And like this. Okay. So this is your U. See. Chalo, right here. Done? Okay. Now X done, Y done. Now Z. Very easy. See. है ना? Make a 3 first. चलो 3 तो सबको आता है, right? Make a 3 first like this and turn. है ना easy? Okay, चलो trace in book also. Make a 3 first. Done. X, Y, Z. Okay, done. Now next page, page number 18. Students, this is your homework page. Again I am writing HW here. Trace the letter, speak and write. What you do? Read and write. Simple. Read and write. Okay, so these 2 pages you have to do. Now turn your page. Page number 1919. See, page number 1919. Put your pencil on question. Read and write. Again, read and write small letters. Make a underline. What you do here? Small letters. कहाँ से कहाँ तक? A to D. A to D. Right? A, B, C, D. चलो start करें. Okay. Now C in board first. Make a cursive line. Make a circle and A. Right? Again, make a cursive line. Make a circle. A. This is your A. Right? Same you have to write in book also. First trace the letter. Cursive line, make a circle, down line, A. C. Cursive line, and students, see again in second line you have to write only second line. Don't use first and third line. Okay. So put your pencil. Don't up your pencil. Cursive line, make a circle, down line, A. Cursive line, make a circle, down line, A. Right? This is your A. Again, one time I am writing. This is your A. Now, turn off B. Which way you will write? C in board again. Make a cursive line first. Always in cursive book you have to line first. You have to draw line like this, and like this. Easy? Chalo. See again, like this, and like this. Very easy. B. What is this? Small b. Now do in book. Chalo, trace the first. Make a line like this. Okay. Only second line से ही start करना है. Done? Be done? Now C. C तो आता है ना सबको. Cursive line, make a C. Cursive line, make a C. C. Done. Right? Now D. D also you know students. First only you make a cursive line first, and same D you have to repeat here like this. Easy? Like this, and like this. Done? So this is your D. In small letter A, B, C, D. Same work you have to do in page number 2020 because it is your homework page. Okay, read and write. Same, small a, small b, small c, small d. Okay, now students हम लोग अपनी क्लास यहाँ पे ओवर करें. Take care. Goodbye.